What is up, you guys? My name's Jeremiah Molina, your friendly neighborhood Disney freak, and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. Today we're at the Funko Hollywood store and I'm making myself as a pop. So basically I'll be taking you guys through the process that I'm going through myself in order to make myself as a pop. So first things first, they give us this little sheet to put all of the info on of what pieces we want and stuff. And step one is to choose a head. Ta-da! The heads range from different skin colors to different facial features like beards and mustaches and stuff, all the way to if you want glasses. Now right now I'm wearing contacts, but you guys have usually seen me wearing glasses, so that's what I'm probably going to be putting on my pop. Step 2, choosing a hairstyle. My hair is like super short, but that being said, I also wear tons of hats. So of course, got to pick some options with some hats. Okay, you guys, we're moving on to step 3, which is choosing a body. The hard part about this is that there are a bunch of different styles, you know? Of course they have different hoodies and t-shirts and tank tops and all that as well, so I really like the amount of detail in their clothing choices though. Like, this one has Chucks, this one has some ripped jeans, this one looks like Nike or like Adidas sneakers basically. It looks pretty sick. And finally, the last step, of course, is to accessorize. Maybe I should get a book for a Bible or a mic for a dreamer. Unfortunately, some items are still coming soon, like this video game controller and the iPhone. Oh, the iPhone would have worked so well. Okay, you guys, I got my accessories down. I really wish I would have had more, you know, something like lightsabers or other stuff like that would have been cool. But what I'm gonna do is turn this paper in, and then, yeah, we're just gonna see what myself looks like as a pop. Finally, they gave me my pop, and it looks like this. Woo! Dreamer, you guys. Look at it, doesn't it look like me? Alright, you guys, so that basically wraps up my time here. That's been 2 Minute Tuesday. I've been Jeremiah Molina, so keep dreaming, keep believing. See you guys.